What's up, y'all? Now I'm coming at y'all another reaction to Brent Faiyaz Mercedes official audio. I have not listened to this yet. No shit, because if I did listen to it, I wouldn't do a reaction video on it. But yeah, man. I don't know what to say. I've listened to Brent Faiyaz before with Drake, and I liked it. The beat gave me like old R&B vibes. So I want to see what happens with this one. Alright. It's like an old not reggae. Old what the fuck? An old EDM video. Yeah, it's definitely an old EDM video. When that nigga was dancing, he wasn't even dancing on beat. He was just, I don't know what he was doing. He looked like he was on acid. Okay.
You don't really wanna be my lady. You know it's more than just driving Mercedes.
Ooh. Ooh. I don't know. I feel mischievous about this one. I don't know what I'm doing right now. If y'all can see what I'm doing, y'all think this nigga, you think I'm a fucking weirdo right now. But it's just, you know, it just makes me like bob my head and move around a little bit.
Drive you crazy. They just tryna f***ing have my baby. My block too hot to have a lady. My block too all these detectives, they investigate. Play smart, no hesitating. If they can't get to me, they'll try my baby. It's a party.
This nigga grabbed his nuts and then started singing. I love that. Cause there's no way you gonna sing that with your nuts being crushed a little bit.
Still high, still right. It's gonna rain here all day, girl. All day long.
How is this video on 1080p, but this shit look like on fucking 360p? What the fuck?
Still have tomorrow. Lady, I don't know how. You know me for a month.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, the beat getting hyped up a little bit. What?
You and me or you don't know what I come with. I don't mean to put you down, but I know you're down. If you wasn't around.
Ooh, shit, nigga. You bumping it up a little bit.
Baby, I'm asking too much. You offering love. I don't think that's enough. You don't really wanna be my lady.
You don't wanna be my lady.
More than just driving Mercedes. More than Mercedes. She's so gon' call and drive you crazy. They just crazy. Can't have my baby. My block too hot to have a lady. My block all these detectives, they investigate. Play smart, no hesitating. If they can't get to me, they'll try my baby. It's a party. Still high, still right. It's gonna rain here all
yes.
day, girl. All day long, but we still have tomorrow.
Ooh.
This shit ain't nothing new.
This beat is like speeding. Like it's speeding, but like it's still like calm. You know, like the beat got like sped up a little bit, but it's still somehow still like chill and vibing, you know, like it's still a vibey chill song, even when the beat is like even when the bass, not the bass, what the fuck, like the kick, I guess, like the kick, motherfucker, I'm not Anthony Fantano, this shit is hard to explain to a nigga like me, okay, but like the little kick, and it's like the kick is getting like speed up a little bit, you know, and it's still like chill, it's still like a vibing song, and I love that.
Yeah, I got too much I could lose. Gotta be careful who you choose, cause this ain't like the life you had with your old dude.
Ooh.
And if you don't like being alone at night, then maybe I'm not your type. You don't really wanna be my lady. You know it's more than just driving Mercedes. These hoes gon' call and drive you crazy. They just tryna can't have my baby. My block too hot to have a lady. All these detectives, they investigate. Play smart, no hesitate. If they can't get to me, they'll try my baby.
This beat was great. Moving mad. Alright, this is at 8.5. I like this a lot. It sounded futuristic but still old at the same time, which is like crazy to do. I don't know how you even be able to do that, but it sounded futuristic and old at the same time. And his man's voice is great. I loved it. But everything, when the beat started getting sped up a little bit, it started to sound futuristic and that I can't do this shit. You heard my voice do that shit. But everything just sounded like old but futuristic at the same time, like future R&B. You know, like this is the type of shit we gonna listen to when like 325, like and like 3025. You know what I'm saying? Like some shit you would listen to like in the future. And I loved it, you know, and the fucking visuals are weird, but you know, don't know how the fuck he got 1080p from fucking 720. Like I don't know how he got 1080p from 360p, because this whole video is in like 480p or 360p. Like what the fuck? But until then, I'm out this bitch. I hope y'all niggas have a great day.